Swiss chard is an easy to grow winter's leafy green vegetable, and in this video we will see how to grow Swiss chard leaves at home starting from their seeds. It's a beginners friendly guide, so keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Swiss chard is a winter's vegetable plant. It likes a little coolness to grow bigger leaves. It's related to beetroot plants. The leaves may look alike, but Swiss chard plants don't have any bulbs like beetroots. Their leaves are edible and used very widely in cooking and salads. First of all, you should know the exact time to sow the seeds of Swiss chard plants. They like to grow in a cool weather, not cold, just a little coolness is ideal. You can sow their seeds before or just at the starting of winters. As the seeds sprout, the cool weather will aid their healthy growth. Summer's weather isn't ideal, seeds may sprout but plants won't survive. Cool weather is most important for Swiss chard plants. In ideal season, very less problems will appear and plants grow fast. Another most important thing for growing Swiss chard from seeds is the quality of seeds. Buying healthy and fresh seeds is very fruitful. While 2 to 4 years older seeds won't grow well, better to buy a hardy variety with fresh quality of seeds. You can also buy it from the description box link. Choose the most common variety of Swiss chard. Some rare or exotic variety may not grow well. If you are experienced, then you can try. Now let's prepare the pot and soil for the seeds. Seeds like a well draining and soft soil media. Hard and compact mixture will reduce their germination rate. I have prepared a seed starter at home. It works really well. You can find the soil recipe from the description below. For the pot, choose a pot with drainage holes. 5 to 6 inches would be big enough. For sowing the seeds of Swiss chard, moisten the soil fully. Then place the seeds over the soil equally apart. Gently press them to make seeds to soil contact. Now cover this with coco peat or use the same soil, but don't add too much. Just make the seeds disappear. Water this thoroughly. Make the top layer of soil fully moist. Use a spray bottle. Place this pot in a very bright spot away from direct sunlight and keep the upper soil layer moist. Within 5 to 6 days, tiny seedlings will pop out of the soil. At this stage, make sure the seedling receives a lot of light. 1 to 2 hours of morning sun can also work well. This will reduce the laggyness of the seedlings. After a few weeks, when they have a few leaves, you can transplant them into their final spot. They require up to a 6 inches deep pot. I am using a wide grow bag. You can buy one from the description below. For the soil, use any loose and well-draining soil. It shouldn't be hard and water-blocking. A simple soil recipe is also added in the description below that you can follow. Water the seedlings well a day before this. Gently get the seedlings out. Make a hole in the soil and plant them up to the crown. Crown is the part from where the leaves are coming out of. Gently press the soil to provide support, and this way plant each one of them. Water the soil, not too much and not too less. Place the pot in a bright shade for a few days. As you see new growth on your plants, you can move this grow bag to a sunny spot. Around 2 to 4 hours of sunlight daily is good for Swiss chard plants. Water only when the top layer of soil looks dry, otherwise don't. Your Swiss chard plants will keep on getting bigger and bigger. The season will keep on getting cooler and cooler, and this will result into the best growth. You can also use a fertilizer after a few days of transplant. Use this homemade vegetables fertilizer to get the best growth. It's made at home from kitchen-based ingredients. Video on this fertilizer is added in the description below. Otherwise, you can use cow dung liquid. It works great too. Within 40 to 50 days, your plants will be fully mature with 5 to 6 inches big leaves. You can harvest them at this stage, otherwise they will start producing flowers and then seeds. Just use a cutter and cut 1 inch above the crown. And here we have our first set of Swiss chard leaves grown at home. Now harvest them all. So here we have our final harvest from these plants. Wash them and use in kitchen. These plants will grow new leaves within a week or so that you can harvest again. And this way you can take 2 to 3 harvests from these plants. It's all about growing Swiss chard from seeds. Here is a video on growing lettuce from seeds at home. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.